Here I have iPhone 13 mini, and today I'm going to show you how to deactivate accessibility shortcuts on this device. So accessibility shortcuts is when you triple press power key and you can access this menu. If you want to disable it, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the accessibility section, then go to the accessibility shortcuts and remove all ticks from here. And now, as you can see, this feature is disabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.